Well, this is, you saw the other video with the engine build of the 570 is now a 605. Sound like an axle broke to me.
Blew the bead off.
Oh, it's just the first of the day, early morning, and he already has problems. I know that sucks for him. Axle. I believe that got that passenger axle there. I believe it got your passenger axle. I believe it got your passenger axle. It was popping, snapping really hard, that right front axle there.
Probably did.
Yeah. His first few minutes of the day, you know he's not happy with that. Blew that tire off the rim and blew his right front axle out. It just stripping the balls in the cup there, so sad for his day. Early start this morning here.
That's what I told her. I said, she get it. It's easy. Much as that stuff, you can skip across that hole.
Yep.
You've already got it, buddy. You need to make show. There's no one gonna do it. You need to show right now. When we get out of the way, I'll be right behind you. Yeah, but see, I'm serious. You have it up there. You can skip it on the wall.
Okay, boys, we're gonna band this tire out, set the bead, and put some air in it.
Yeah, see that one? Matter of fact, are the keys in it? So you got your good compressor?
Yeah, I got the compressor here. I guess he turns his power port on with the key. You got your...
You really want me to?
We'll get this screwed on. Wait a minute, let's get it screwed on.
I guess I should have checked tire pressure last night.
Hey, it's been good to check tire pressure last night.
It's all right. It's all right. We've all done it. We've all done it. Go ahead. Key on. Start the motor. Get a lot more power if you start the motor.
I don't know how.
There we go. We're taking air now. We're up to 20.
Sounded like a good sound.
Just let her keep going. Part of it did, about 3/4 of it did. Okay, we're getting up around 20 pounds now. Probably take about 25 or so to pop it on there.
Where you from?
I'm from Paducah, Kentucky.
Paducah?
Yeah.
We do mine work. I got crews in Paducah, Kentucky.
Oh, have you?
Jackson Purchase, yeah. Elliott.
Oh, yeah? Well, I guess you know Scott Riddle. Yeah. I got the hybrid solar system at my house, and you know, Kelly comes around and reads my meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got the only hybrid solar system that is battery backup in all of the Jackson Purchase service area.
That's freaking awesome. I've heard them talk about that, but
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, that's my house, my system. They come out to do the witness test. We're up about 23 right now. Just right there, she's just about to bead out right there. Now y'all can watch yourself on YouTube at Muddy Lifestyles. Muddy Lifestyles. You see this whole video and all this good fun we have out here.
Is that what you do? Just kind of hang out and watch people and make fun of them?
No, I don't do that. I've been in this very same boat myself all the time.
No, but I mean, it's fun. That's what making fun of people is.
That's what it's all about. This whole sport, the camaraderie, the people, it just makes it fantastic. So we're at 25 PSI.
Would it help or hurt to take it off the jack at this point?
Yeah, you can take it off the jack. That will help it.
More weight, Eddie. If you drop it quick enough, it might even help there.
Well, we're doing well. She's gonna be all right. Well, we'll put enough air into it till she does pop.
You gonna do it?
Out there, I said 30. I'm gonna be pretty close, ain't I?
Yes, sir. Well, we've all been there. We've all done this.
There she cut her down, Harry. Unplug her there. Yeah. Now we let some air out. We got her.
Yeah. Now that we got her seated.
All right, Eddie, we got you popped back.
Big Jim is my name. Big Jim. All y'all got to do is just subscribe and hit that bell, man. Get notifications, and just kind of follow, because we just do the same stuff. We're not no big channel. We're just small town country folks.
Where y'all from?
Paducah. Yeah.
Huh? Valstown is?
Serious, that front wheel was never spinning. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you filled the back of my machine up full of mud. You were throwing a 40-foot tail.
Y'all feel that?
Yeah, this is what happens when you leave your back end open. That's all right.
Help us out and put mud on this thing.
Hey, I think that thing will make it through it.
Oh yeah.
Two-wheel drive, baby. I said, Tucker, front wheel ain't spinning no wheel.
Okay. Well, put our gear back in here, and we can giddy up and get on our way. We don't help our neighbor, friend. Get it? Ready? All right, you guys got it. Okay.
How about that engine break in?